Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to use Omegle on your mobile phone. So if you want to find out how to use Omegle along with video chat on your mobile phone, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is enter the Explorer. I'm guessing you are searching for this video because you can't use the video option on the Omegle app, and this is why we want to use the Omegle version on the Internet Explorer. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go into our Internet Explorer of choice. I'm going to be using Google Chrome and find the main search page. After entering the search page, we will want to search for Omegle.com. Let's just type in Omegle, as this will bring us to the Omegle.com website. After doing this, you want to enter this website and we will be greeted by this page. Here we are greeted by the main Omegle.com page. Here is a page where we will be able to enter the start a chat option or start a video chat option along with entering our interests. So guys, if you want to video chat with somebody, you will have to be very careful as there is a lot of sketchy stuff on this site. But guys, even though I suggest that you be over 18 to use this site, but if you want to do that, you will be able to find similar people by choosing this option right here. As you can see here, you will be able to add your interest to find people with similar interests. Let's say that we want to find people with the interest in YouTube. Just type YouTube and click select, and this will put YouTube as an interest. You can type in more interests such as Instagram or something similar. Maybe you play some games such as Fortnite. Just type in anything that you want and you will be able to find people with similar interests. This will guide you with people with similar interests. So guys, after doing that, you will want to click on either option, depending if it's just a normal text chat or depending if it's a video chat. Clicking on the video chat, this will bring you to the video chat option. You will have to give permission for the site to use your camera. Don't worry, they will not spy on you. This is just so you can record yourself while using this application to other strangers. If you click on start a text chat, you'll be brought to a new textual site. You can see here, clicking on start a chat, I will be greeted by this page where we have to confirm and continue that we are allowed that we are over 18, and then we are acknowledging through their privacy policy. Clicking on confirm and continue, we have found someone that also likes YouTube. So guys, you can chat here with people, type in anything you want. You can find new people, find anyone you want, type hi. Here you can see they like Instagram and so on and so on. So guys, I hope you have fun using this application and that we helped you today with this video. Make sure to stay safe, and thank you for watching and take care.